Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditi. So in today's video, I'm actually very excited for today's video because I will be sharing summer tops from Meesho. This is actually going to be my first ever clothing haul on my channel. I've never done it before and I wanted some summer tops because abhi garmiyan start ho gayi and I wanted some new tops and I was looking for some affordable options, and Meesho is literally all over the internet. Trust me, I've never ever got anything from Meesho up till now. I was always like, the pricing on the products are very cheap, so the product quality must be very cheap as well. So but finally I was like, everyone is talking about Meesho, the clothes, the jewelry, footwear, everything, right? And that's why I was like, let's just give this a chance and let's see how the products are from Meesho. And that's when I ordered summer tops from Meesho. I got literally 15 tops from Meesho, like first time buying from Meesho, and I literally gone all out because I wanted to see the quality, and I was not at all patient enough to like order one or two top and then wait for it, and then if I like it then order more. So I directly order 15 tops, and most of these are very affordable. I think I would say all of these are very affordable. I ordered, I was just liking the tops, I was just adding the to cart, and then it became like 15-16 tops, and I then ordered all of them. Later on I realized that all of these tops are under 300 bucks, which is like, it's very affordable, you guys. I literally have so many packets right here with me. Oh my god, it's just literally गिर रहा है सब कुछ. So I have so many packets right here, so I'm very excited. Of course I'm gonna try it on and show you guys how the quality is, everything, my experience with Meesho. So if you guys are excited and you want to know, and if you're a beginner and तुमने भी कभी Meesho से order नहीं किया है, so I'm just gonna be sharing my honest review, my honest experience. अभी 15 tops है तो of course I will not be showing all 15 tops in this video क्योंकि वो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा video and that doesn't make sense. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this video in two parts. So first part में मैं अभी 7-8 टॉप दिखा दूँगी, and just wait for the another video that will be up very soon, trust me. And उसके अंदर मैं 7-8 टॉप मैं उसमें भी दिखा दूँगी. So now let's get started. But before that, if you like the content here on my channel, if you like the vibe here, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you like this clothing haul, jewelry or footwear haul, then that's what I'm gonna do. I'm planning to do a lot more hauls in future. Like, I'm very excited because the makeup and skincare will be there. It is my love, so वो तो रहने ही वाला है, but I'm just gonna dig in this part also. So yeah, if you guys want me to try any product from Meesho, like top, dresses, anything, you can just send me the code of that. I would definitely buy that and just review it for you guys. If not in the video, then I will do a short for that. So yeah, make sure to do that. And now quickly let's get started. Disclaimer before I begin this video, I just tried not to buy any more black clothes, but I accidentally do that, and आज के हॉल में भी 2-3 टॉप तो ब्लैक होने ही वाले हैं because I just love black color and it like literally attracts me so much. I try not to buy it, but I still buy it anyways, right? But still, let's just begin with this first black top that I got. So I'm just gonna take this out, and that is how this top looks like. I really love the detailing on this. That is how this looks. This has a really cool detailing right here which looks so stunning when you wear this. I love the material. I am like literally very surprised with the material. This is like really stretchable, so that is also great, right? I mean, it's very important for me to get a little stretch in a top because कभी-कभी खाना खाने के बाद यार, it's important, right? It's very important. So it has a great stretch. It looks so stunning, and the best part about these kind of tops is that you do not actually need to do anything. They just make you look fashionable. Like, अगर तुम्हें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा कि तुम्हें क्या पहनना है, just wear these kind of tops and they just elevate the look and they just look stunning and on every body type, like literally on every body type. Now I got this in black, but you do not have to if black is not your favorite color, and if you want to just play with some other colors, this top is literally available in like 8 to 10 colors, like purple, white, green, dark green, light green, powder blue. Like, this top is available in about 10 different colors, which is amazing. This in the size extra small, and this fits me so beautifully. And let me just tell you how much I paid for this. You will be blown away, you guys. I just paid 208 bucks for this. Like 208 रुपए में आ गया यार ये top. This is, I would say, a dupe of H&M. I have seen this kind of a top on H&M and it's literally everywhere. I think I've seen so many celebrities also wearing this टॉप. इट्स लिटरली एवरीवेयर एंड 208 में मिल गया भाई. इस तरह सस्ता आई डोंट थिंक सो ये कहीं पे भी मिलने वाला है. इट्स सो गुड क्वालिटी, so good. I am definitely keeping this. Let's move on to the next top, which I got in a beige color, which I would say is the most expensive top out of all the tops that I ordered, and which is this top. I love it. If you've seen my recent short, उससे मैंने ये top पहना है and it's so freaking beautiful, you guys. It is so beautiful and I was just blown away with the quality of this as well. So that is how the top looks like. Can you see that? The neckline is so beautiful. The shade also, beige, is again one of my favorite color to wear. This kind of color suits every skin tone. This kind of makes you look more like, you know, this is like very girly top. So yeah, if you like these kind of, you know, detailing, just grab this one. One thing I want to mention about this top, and when I got this I was just literally so surprised. So this one is from the brand MWB, if you can see that right here. So this is from the brand MWB, which is also available on Ajio, and मैंने वहाँ से काफ़ी टॉप लिए हैं MWB के. and this top is literally so expensive, you guys. This retails for 1800 bucks, like literally. and if you get this from Ajio, वहाँ पे ये कम से कम 700-800 रुपए में मिलता है. I literally got so many tops from Ajio from the same brand, and they are selling the same brand is selling the same tops for 700 and 800 bucks on Ajio, and it is the same brand. It is of everything. The material also is same, because I have more tops from this brand and they are literally selling it so cheap on Ajio, like on Meesho. I got this top for 271 bucks, which is like insane, you guys. The quality is so good. Again, this has a great stretch. अगर तुम कॉलेज जाते हो ना, you're just gonna love this top. It is so you know, lightweight also. इसमें बिल्कुल गर्मी नहीं लगने वाली, बहुत airy है. So like it's so good. Just grab this one. I want to thank the Derma Co for sponsoring a small part of this video. You can clearly see I do not have makeup on my skin. I just did my skincare, applied a little bit of lip and cheek tint, and of course lipstick. That is something which I do every day literally. So yeah, the reason I do not wear makeup too much these days is because इतनी गर्मी में I just don't feel like wearing makeup. So जब भी मैं skip कर सकती हूँ, I like to skip that. So if you want to skip on your makeup, you want to work on your skin so that your skin looks naturally beautiful and healthy, right? And that's what I'm going to share today, the product which really helps me to keep my skin healthy and really acne free, blackheads and whiteheads free. So that is a product which I am going to talk about. I have Derma Co's salicylic acid range, which you guys know I have shown multiple times on my channel. I have used this range so much from past 1 year and I see drastic results with my skin. Like I do not break out that often now. My blackheads and whiteheads are like gone. I don't see them anywhere. So yeah, this product really helps me with my skin and I'm totally loving it, and that's why I'm here recommending it to you guys. So first step that you want to follow is just wash your face with this 1% of salicylic acid daily face wash. Do not worry, you can literally replace your normal face wash with this 1% of salicylic acid gel face wash for better acne control. It has witch hazel and also willow bark that deeply penetrates pores to eliminate acne causing bacteria and impurities. So after I'm done washing my face, I'm gonna be applying this 2% of salicylic acid face serum, which is, I would say, one of my favorite serum from the Derma Co. Recently I'm using this one, but let me just show you. I have used I think 2 to 3 bottles of this. This is the one जो मैं use कर रही थी, and अभी it's completely empty. And right now I'm using this one, and ये भी actually आधा हो चुका है, and I already have backup of this serum. I mean, I love it that much. I use it so consistently, you guys, and that's why I want you guys to try this serum out if you have acne prone skin. If you see every morning you wake up with a new acne, and I know that feeling, you guys. I literally used to wake up and I was like, oh my god, I got a new, you know, breakout here on my chin, on my forehead. it's just so irritating, right? And this product has helped me tackle this issue so beautifully. This 2% salicylic acid serum is a multitasking formulation that treats acne, unclogged pores, and also prevents skin damage. The combination of 2% salicylic acid and witch hazel exfoliates the pores to prevent the appearance of whiteheads and also blackheads. With no more sebum in the pores, it eventually stops the formulation of acne as well. Still, I would say definitely do a patch test before applying the serum all over your face, because everyone's skin is different, right? And this might irritate your skin. I don't know that, I can't comment on that. So definitely do a patch test. And this is an active ingredient, so you do not want to skip your sunscreen. Like, that would be the worst thing that you can do to your skin. So definitely pair it with your sunscreen. So yeah, if you guys want to get these products, then you can use my coupon code, which is JATAWA2023, and you will get additional 20% off on the Dermaco's website. Also, every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they will help educate along with Bhumi. So they have pledged to help around 10,000 plus students across this year, which is a great initiative, and we all should support that. So yeah, the product details, the links, the coupon code, everything will be in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out. Okay, now let's move on to the next top. Okay, I have colors. I thought I ordered only black top, but I have colors. So I got another top, which is this beautiful purple color top. Let me just open this up as well. This is again a really beautiful top, you guys. That is how this top looks like. You just wanna अपनी neck इसमें डालो, and that's how it is. इसका back कुछ ऐसा है. If you can understand this, of course मैं पहन के दिखाऊंगी तो you can understand how is this gonna look. I feel so stupid at this point because I thought Meesho पे तो सब खराब ही मिलने वाला है. No good quality products I'm gonna get from Meesho, but I was so wrong, you guys. I mean, this platform just surprised me, and how again the quality of this is like so good. Like, can you see how soft the material is? It's so freaking beautiful. Again, there's great stretch in this one as well. This again is in the size extra small. Most of my tops are either in extra small or small. That is my size. That is what I wear when it comes to any brand, literally. I think summers के लिए this kind of a top is just so good, and I got this for 181 bucks. I mean, can you believe it? 200 रुपये में भी नहीं आया यार. ये कहाँ से बना रहे हैं, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. Like, how are they even doing it? They're like stitching, like the material stitching, and they are like even sending you the products. Shipping भी नहीं लगी. And if you don't like the product, you can तुम return भी कर सकते हो. Like, इतना सब process सिर्फ 181 bucks में. How are they doing it? I do not get it. But हमें क्या मतलब है? We are just getting amazing products, and that is the whole purpose, right? Next up, I have the cutest top from this haul. Like, मैंने again ऐसा कोई top कभी भी नहीं पहना है, but I was just being very experimental when I was buying the clothes. So I was like, let's just try this out. और मैंने इसको actually काफ़ी सारे influencers के पास देखा है, so I just bought it for myself as well. First of all, I was expecting it to be very cheap. Trust me, मेरा expectation था कि बहुत cheap दिखने वाला है, but still I got it. I was just wanted to see like कैसा लगने वाला है. But when I opened the packet, I was so happy because this does not look cheap at all. I think camera catch नहीं कर पा रहा है इसका color. This is a little darker in color. Let me just try and show it to you closely. Yeah, so this is the color of this top, which is so beautiful, and this has this small little detailing over here. Like, पूरे top के ऊपर ये detailing है, which is so pretty. Sleeves के अंदर यहाँ पे ऐसे elastic है. मैं ऐसे just पहन के दिखाती हूँ. So like यहाँ पे elastic है. So this detailing also looks so good. Like, ऐसे ruffle type look आता है. There's no ruffle, but this looks like कि इसमें ruffles है. So it's good. Only issue that I had with this top, I think इसका stitching उतना perfect नहीं है जितना मुझे जितना होना चाहिए, of course. Because when I wear this top, I hope the camera catches it firstly. Right. So when I wear this top, so जो अंदर वाला part है ये एक्चुअली बाहर दिख रहा होता है क्योंकि इसकी स्टिचिंग प्रॉपरली नहीं हुई है. तो ये जो पार्ट है, जो प्लीट्स है ना, ये दिख रही होती है. सो दैट इज़ लाइक a big no. I mean, the material is good. I feel जो मुझे पीस मिला है इसकी स्टिचिंग उतनी परफेक्ट नहीं है. So I tried wearing it, and मैंने अच्छे से अंदर से खींच के भी किया ट्राई, बट नहीं, ये थोड़ा बाहर आ ही रहा है. So I have to like exchange it or return it. I don't know what would I do, but yeah, that is the only issue. Yes, I got this top for 229 bucks. I mean, अगेन सो अफोर्डेबल, बिकॉज ऐसे जो टॉप्स होते हैं वो काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव आते हैं, लाइक 800-900 से नीचे इस टाइप के टॉप आते ही नहीं है। अर्बैनिक पे देख लो, अमेजोन पे देख लो, दिस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ पार्टी वेयर लुक तुमको प्रोवाइड करेगा। इट्स नॉट लाइक एवरीडे टॉप, राइट। 200-250 रुपये में तुम्हें एक पार्टी वेयर टॉप मिल रहा है। अगर तुम्हारे कॉलेज में कोई पार्टी है, फेयरवेल है, फ्रेंड्स के साथ आउटिंग, wear this top and you would definitely stand out because this is so pretty. It's so hot and I cannot turn on AC because बहुत आवाज़ आएगी, but let me just quickly do it. So next up, as I said, I have blacks. So I got two tops which are like completely similar, and I was eyeing these tops on Myntra for so long and finally I got these. Exactly same है, quality same है, बस कलर अलग है क्योंकि आई फील ब्लैक एंड वाइट गोज विद एवरीथिंग, बहुत ईजी टू कैरी होता है, तो आई थिंक बहुत सेफ कलर्स है, सो दैट्स वाई आई गॉट दिस टॉप एंड दैट इज़ हाउ दिस टॉप लुक्स लाइक. दिस इज़ अ very simple sleeveless crop top and the material also is ribbed. If you can see that on camera, the material is ribbed. It's a very thick material, you guys. It's extremely thick. This is not at all transparent, which is again a great thing. I like the quality. It's properly ribbed, it's thick, not transparent, very affordable. Everything is so good, but I think I do not like the cut of this top. I mean, कपड़ों के साथ ऐसा है कि if you know एक small little inch का जो आप तुम कट डालते हो कपड़े के अंदर, it makes a huge difference. So I like the material, everything is so good, but when I wear this, I don't feel like that I'm wearing a top. It kind of looks like a sports bra, like literally a sports bra. It does not look like a top to me, at least on my body type. The length of this top is also really good. So if you're someone who does not like super क्रॉप्ड टॉप, परफेक्टली क्रॉप्ड, सो अगर तुम हाई वेस्टेड जीन्स पहनोगे तो इट्स जस्ट गोना टच योर हाई वेस्ट जीन्स, सो ज़्यादा कुछ रिवील नहीं होने वाला है. यू कैन बी लाइक वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद दिस. बहुत अच्छे से हक करता है बॉडी. सो आई गॉट दिस टॉप फॉर $158, लाइक 150 रुपये में मिल गया यार ये टॉप, और तो क्या ही बोलूँ मैं. अगेन द वाइट वन ऑल्सो इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम, सुपर थिक मटीरियल, वेरी स्ट्रेची, not transparent. Everything is just so beautiful about these top. Best part about these kind of tops is that, again, as I said, you do not need to put in so much effort to look fashionable. You can literally just wear these tops with your high-waisted denims and just wear your sneakers. You are literally good to go because they just make you fashionable instantly. So that's why I get these kind of simple crop tops, because कोई effort नहीं डालना. If your friend just calls you कि जल्दी ready हो जा, बाहर जाना है, you can just literally wear this and you are good to go. So that's why I just like these kind of tops so much. बहुत ज़्यादा क्रॉप नहीं है तो बहुत ज़्यादा रिवील कुछ नहीं होता है, बहुत कंफर्टेबल है, ढीले वीले नहीं होते हैं, तो आगे पीछे से कुछ भी टेंशन नहीं है बैठते हुए, तो इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर. कॉलेज पर्पज़ के लिए आई थिंक दिस इज़ सो परफेक्ट फॉर योर एवरीडे कॉलेज यूज़. कितना भी वॉश करो, मटेरियल इतना अच्छा है कि ख़राब नहीं होने वाला है, बहुत दिन तक तुमको लास्ट करने वाला है. सो लव इट. मैं इसका साइज़ भी बता देती हूँ. आई थिंक आई गॉट दिस इन एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल अगेन. So yeah, it's perfectly fitting for my body. It's just so good, so love it. Okay, I got another colorful top, which again is a halter neck top. I loved this top, you guys, so much. First of all, let's talk about the material. It's so good, you guys. It is literally so beautiful. I love this top. Again, it's not exactly the same, there's a difference. I will show you. So you can see the halter neck. Now the difference in this one and the purple one is that this has collar, so this gives it a little bit of more like what would I say, ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा मुझे. like उसके अंदर it was just simple cloth over your neck, but यहाँ पे कॉलर है तो बहुत ज़्यादा फैशनेबल लगता है. ये बहुत रिच लुक आता है इसके साथ में. for your day outing, this is so perfect, and the color also is so fresh. I think the best part about this top is the color. I think this color is so in right now. This looks so good. बहुत ही परफेक्ट जगह पे जाके ख़त्म होता है. अगर तुम अपनी लो वेस्ट जीन्स ही पहनोगे या मिड वेस्ट जीन्स ही पहनोगे ना, तभी भी ये तुम्हें ईजिली इसको पहन सकते हो. बिल्कुल भी तुम्हारी वेस्ट लाइन रिवील नहीं होगी. सो यू कैन बी लाइक वेरी कंफर्टेबल wearing this top, and you are just gonna get so many compliments when you're gonna wear this top, because this is that good. I'm left with one top for this video particularly, and this is a dark green colored top, which is kind of looks like this. So this is a full sleeved top with a v-neck, very simple, like literally very simple. But sometimes these kind of tops look so classy, not sometimes, actually all the time these kind of top look very classy because they just do not go out of fashion. You know, simple cheeze jo hoti hai, it's always in fashion, right? So that's why I got this. The color also is really good, right? It's so beautiful, army green color. Material is again so soft, you guys. I feel this is a little warm for गर्मी. आई मीन आई डोंट नो, अगर तुम एसी वाली जगह में बैठे हो तब तो तुम इसको आराम से वेयर कर सकते हो, बट अगर तुम धूप में घूम रहे हो सो दिस माइट बी अ लिटिल टू वार्म फॉर दैट. Hugs my body so beautifully on the right parts, on the right curves. The neckline also is so good. I feel the V neckline looks beautiful on everyone, right? So it's very stretchy. If you like, you can actually tuck this. मैंने इसको टक करके पहना था अपने जीन्स के साथ में and this looked even better. So yeah, love it. The material is good. It is not at all transparent. So I don't think इसके बारे में मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत है. बहुत ही basic, बहुत ही simple top है. So I got this top, oh my god, for $149. मैंने रियलाइज़ भी नहीं किया कि ये टॉप इतने ज़्यादा सस्ते हैं. अब जब मैं बोल रही हूँ ये प्राइसिंग तब मुझे रियलाइज़ हो रहा है, बट लिटरली दिस टॉप रिटेल्स फॉर ओनली $149 एंड अगेन आई गॉट दिस इन स्मॉल साइज. So good quality, you guys. Definitely check this out. Love this top so much. Alright you guys, so these are all the tops that I wanted to show you in this video. I think already काफ़ी लंबा हो चुका है, so just keep your eyes open for the next video. I'm going to be sharing some amazing tops in that video as well. So yeah, that is what I have today for you guys in this video. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. I love you guys all so much.